Hello there, and welcome to another episode of my Georgia Workers' Compensation video series. My name is Jason Perkins, and I'm an attorney who specializes in handling Georgia workers' compensation cases. I created this series of videos to provide people with helpful information about Georgia's workers' compensation law and the benefits they should receive under that. Today, I want to talk to you about whether the nurse case manager can speak with a doctor about your workers' compensation case. The first thing we need to discuss is what is a case manager? So case manager in workers' compensation can refer to two different types of positions. Some insurance companies use the term to refer to their adjusters in workers' compensation cases. The adjuster is the person responsible for managing your workers' compensation case. So they make decisions about your case, to pay benefits, or whether your case is going to be settled, whether your case is going to be accepted or denied. They're basically the insurance company's representative in your case. But that's not the case manager I'm referring to. When I'm referring to case managers for this video, I'm talking about nurse case managers. Now, there's also two different types of nurse case managers in workers' compensation cases. There are telephonic nurse case managers and in-person nurse case managers. Telephonic nurse case managers deal with things over the phone. They don't generally meet with you or the doctor or anyone else in person about the workers' compensation case. What I'm referring more to in this video is in-person nurse case managers, because they're individuals who are typically going to attend doctor's appointments with you and talk to you and maybe try to talk to the doctor about your case. So let's talk about that. Can in-person nurse case managers discuss your workers' compensation case with the doctor? The reason that can be a concern is because the State Board of Workers' Compensation changed the rules regarding nurse case managers a few years ago. Before that rule change, the insurance company had to have your agreement to assign a nurse case manager to your case. After that rule change, they no longer had to have your agreement. They could do it on their own without you agreeing to it. When that rule change was made, one of the questions was, can the nurse case managers discuss the workers' compensation case with your doctors when they're appointed in your case? And the concern about that is that nurse case managers, even though they're supposed to be neutral, are paid by the insurance company. And because of that, some people have concerns over whether they're truly going to be neutral in your case or not. So with this concern, does the rule allow nurse case managers to speak to doctors about all issues in your workers' compensation case? Well, there's some disagreement about that. People think different ways. Now, from your end, what that disagreement means is that the nurse case manager is probably going to be trying to speak to the doctor about your workers' compensation case. They may very well try to attend appointments with you and have in-person private meetings with the doctor to discuss your case. What you want to make sure is that you're in any meeting where the nurse case manager is meeting with the doctor. This way, you can make sure that what's being discussed with the doctor is accurate. And if it's not accurate, you can speak up and let the doctor know what your concerns are, whether it comes to some issue with your medical treatment or returning to work or some other thing. You just want to make sure that if your case is being discussed, your medical treatment, that you're in there to discuss it with the doctor when the nurse case manager is discussing it with them. Hope you found this information about nurse case managers helpful. If you have, please let me know that. The best way you can do that is by liking this video or giving it a thumbs up. If you've got more questions about workers' compensation, please don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free consultation about your case. There's two easy ways you can do that. First is by calling the phone number on the bottom of the screen. And the other is by reaching out to us to our website, which is www.perkinslawtalk.com. Just click on and submit the free consultation request form, and a member of our team will contact you and get that consultation scheduled. I'd like to thank you again for watching today. I want to wish you the best of luck as you recover from your injuries.